pray for me. Mom, pray for me. Every day for me. Every day for me. Love's hollow, my nigga. Your heart is cold. My nigga, your heart is cold. I'm sending letters to friends, but niggas don't wanna know. You need to pray for me.
Desert. Next question, please. Not just Miss Desert.
Mom, pray for me, cause I lost a lot of niggas and they plotting every motherfucking day for me. And see my face wanted, cause niggas tried to ride on me, and when I switched it up they called the Jakes on me. A lot of fakes around me, wanna be around me when there's bread, but niggas fled when I got this case on me. Years go past and I'm still inside this cage, adding months on my sentence cause I can't hide my rage. Lately I've been losing friends like I'm high octane. You don't wanna see the madness that's inside my brain. Close your eyes and feel my aura through this fucking beat. For the love of the money, I'm making niggas bleed. Niggas didn't wanna know me, I was living broke. In my washed out jeans, they were cracking jokes. Now I'm kicking through that door where you keep your coke. Take the weed and leave the what, prick, I want it all. Niggas act real when your stacks up, but when you stay property, them niggas act up. Like the high grade, I leave you backed up. Closed casket, got your face stabbed up. Niggas act real when your stacks up, but when you stay property, them niggas act up. Like the high grade, I leave you bagged up. Closed casket, you got your face. On my lonely chillin', puffin' on some sticky loud. R.I.P. my nigga John, I know my niggas proud. Been changing my life and dog, I've been trying to get rich. I don't fucking no snitches, got that short temper right switch. Thinking the days, I never had shit, stuck in a rat cage. Me, myself and my damn rage, smacking up cellmates. Remember staring at Hell's Gate, saying I'm fucked mate. But now I'm back to set my record straight, terminate any nigga that's shitting from his mouth. Talking about the goons in every park outside your house. Ready to split your wig or stab your ribs for that shit that you peddling. Thinking we're slow coaches, but we got that intelligence. See your face on the block, but you're lacking the relevance. Grew up in a war zone like Lebanon. I'm telling him, small little nigga fighting elephants, killing him. Adrenaline stuck in his figure, so you see the real in him. Thinking the niggas that left me, not by choice cause they're deadgy. Zoning out on that sensey while I'm calculating my Benjis. Niggas say I'm unfriendly, I got no patience at times. Been committing them crimes, I speak that real shit in my rhymes, dog.